I am Dr. Vijaybhaskar, Masters in Orthopedic. What are the four major problems in orthopedic? The four major problems are concerned to the bony, joints, ligaments and muscles, its structures. Among these, the bony problems are considered to be infections of the bone, fractures of the bone tumors, and then the weakness in the bones called osteoporosis. So, these four problems among the bony lesions are most important to deal and to treat. The second most problem is the joint. The most important is the joints which are need to supple activity, painless, and then obviously proper functional activities. Henceforth, what I would like to say is, when the joints suffer with the stage of synovitis, stage of bony lesions, stage 1, 2, 3, 4 are main lesions which makes you suffer. What you need to is, you have to see what type of bony lesions you face. Obviously, commonly what we hear is arthritis. The arthritis is nothing but the arthra means joint, itis means inflammation. When the joint gets inflamed, the arthritis will be developed. So, what are the signs and symptoms of arthritis? Where the joint is painful, tender, there is a huge swelling, and then there is a difficulty in movement. These are the four characters we see in the arthritis. So, there are a lot of types of arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, gouty arthritis, and then see non-rheumatic arthritis, non-specific arthritis. Likewise, there are lots of arthritis. Apart from that, there is a possibility of injury to the joint ligaments and joint cartilage, where leads to multiple problems like meniscal injury, ACL injury, PCL injury, likewise collateral ligament injury. And then we see a third one is the tendons. Tendons are most important to the skeletal body, where the tendons attached to the bone are very powerful, and then it supplies the nutrition to the bone as well, and it gives powerful motion to the joints. So, these ligaments to be properly managed, whether it is a ligament or tendon, which are most important for the joint to work in anatomical position. Then when the fourth one is a muscles around the bones and joints, which are most powerful in the body. The thousands of muscles act on the bone, where every muscle has its own capacity to work for us round the clock. Even the functioning of the heart is most important, where the muscle react to it and act better. So, the muscles, tendons, knees, joints and the bone are the four important factors suffer from many diseases in department of orthopedic. Thank you.